How important are the fundamentals of investing, even online investing?
Fundamentals should give you the sense or the notion of value. And the stock market gives you the notion of price. And it's two different things. The value of one thing and the price of one thing can be totally apart. I think the notion of price, it's more important now, in the short term. But the fundamentals at the macro level now are very, very important. So we should have an idea of what's going to happen in the next 12, 24 months. That's very important for whoever invests. So.
You're taking a very interesting initiative, the World Top Investor, to try and identify talented investors from around the world, wherever they may be. Tell me more about that.
Well, we realize that the investors now, they tend to be more consumers than real investors. And everything in this world comes around. You know, people used to be in grocery stores and very annoyed because they would wait half an hour to get served. Now they serve themselves in 2 minutes and they take 45 minutes to pay, and it's okay. But you see more and more convenience stores coming around. So with investment, it's exactly the same thing. The important thing, it's not being online, it's not being a consumer of brokerage, but it's to know what you're doing into brokerage. So the value added of knowledge, it's becoming very important. And we decided to create 5 years ago, 6 years ago, the World Top Investor, in order to identify good investors and good traders all over the world.
How will the World Top Investor competition operate?
The World Top Investor has a broker sponsor for each local league, country league. This broker sponsor is invited to participate in the World Top Investor, and he runs the local league along with the media sponsor. And every investor participating in this local league participates at the same time at world level.
And you're trading in real money?
They trade real money in a real account. The market rules, no difference. The only difference is they will have to allow their trades to be public if necessary. We run it for 12 months because you can be lucky at trading, like anything else in life. But we found it that it's difficult to be lucky for 12 months. And it's the only competition in the world that allows traders to do this marathon for 12 months and to prove themselves to themselves and to the others that they really are good.
When a great online trader sits down at his terminal and begins trading, what is he or she looking for? What are the skills? What's the skill set?
Well, a trader now needs to have an edge, whatever edge that might be. But it could be anything. It could be based on rules. It could be based on fundamentals. It could be based on news. It could be... Each and every one of us has his own technique, or should have his own technique. Hopefully anyone participating on the World Top Investor feels that he has an edge. And it's proving himself with this edge that should be the motivation to participate on the World Top Investor.
So it's down to the individual, and some individuals might see opportunities where others see crises. What opportunities do you think might exist in this market?
Well, the opportunities in this market, they down to the crisis itself, which means that from crisis we get the next boom market. And there will be a new technology, new companies adjusting to the reality that we live now, and those companies will do better. Those technologies will be essential for our future. So I do believe, yes, there is opportunities. Energy, it's probably one of the areas where we should expect more innovation, mainly because we consume a lot of energy. The world is using a lot of energy. The new developing countries are using a lot of energy. And this is becoming an issue and at the same time an opportunity. And like everything, I believe we will have lots of opportunities.
Paulo Pinto, thank you.
Thank you.